Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to share the recipe of Afghani Chicken Tikka. For this recipe, I have taken 500 grams of chicken with bone. You can also take boneless chicken. Ingredients like half cup of cream, half cup of hung curd, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, juice of 1 lemon, few finely chopped mint leaves, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala, butter, clarified butter that is desi ghee and salt to taste. We will also need a smooth paste of 10 to 15 cashews. Firstly, we will as usually brine the chicken to tenderize the meat pieces and then keeping it to rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours, wash the chicken with fresh water, strain off the excess water, and now our chicken is ready to be marinated. We will add all the previously mentioned ingredients like cream, curd, cashew paste, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, salt to taste, garam masala and white pepper powder, finely chopped mint leaves. You can also use dried mint leaves, fenugreek leaves that is kasuri methi, and corn flour. Mix all of them together and keep it in refrigerator for 2 hours. Let's make tikkas. You can either prepare them in an air fryer or on a normal gas stove. I am going to show you both the ways. Preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Once it has heated up, place all the chicken pieces carefully in the tray, brush them with some clarified butter and cook them for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. After 15 minutes, when they are done, turn the pieces, brush them again with desi ghee and cook them for another 10 minutes. And our tikkas are ready. Now if you don't have an air fryer and you are using a pan, then take 2 teaspoons of desi ghee, place all the chicken pieces one by one, cook them for about 2 minutes on medium flame. Add just a little bit of water, cover the pan with the lid, slow down the flame and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip the chicken pieces and repeat the same process. And our pan-made chicken tikkas are ready. So you can see that our chicken pieces are so soft and nicely done. Now it's time to make the Afghani sauce. For that, take 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. I have taken the same pan because it has a lots of flavor in it. Now pour all the leftover marination Give it a quick stir and add the tikkas into it. Mix them together, cook it for 1 more minute and your Afghani chicken tikka is ready to be plated. Garnish it with fresh mint leaves, onion rings and lemon wedges. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.